Hi, and welcome to Battle for the Doorknob. I am the host named Zubin Ketchup. What? Hi, I'm Optic Show. Toilets, poo on the toilet. I am clearly the best one on the show. Hello. Can someone please end my suffering? Ooh, I'm Jack Spook. Welcome back to another episode of Buttnusters. It's time for team making. Bobber, we have to be on a team together. Okay. Not many people are in teams yet. I'm gonna join Jack Spooky. Okay, so now that you're all in your teams, you can pick names now. So, Optic Show, what are you gonna name the team? How about Schloopy Gloop? What? What should our team name be? What should our team name be? How about all of our names in an acronym? That's actually a really good idea. All alone, but who cares? That's what I want anyway. Those are cool names. Today's challenge is to do a backflip. Bald Janet is eliminated. Finally, my sweet release.